Urban high-rise buildings have become the norm. High population density. Escape design must be foolproof. There is a second escape option on all floors below the 10th floor, such as descent machines, escalators, and rescue bags. But there are often many shortcomings. The wind shook violently. Risk of rope breakage. Not easy to use. Other equipment. Rescue bags take up a lot of space. Self-propelled ladder maintenance costs are high, only one point of escape. And it's above the 10th floor. No mandatory second escape option. What to do in case of fire? The arrival and erection of the ladder truck took time and rescue opportunities were missed. Thick smoke affects vision and breathing. At this time, you should stay away from the fire as soon as possible. Firefighters carrying heavy equipment still have to climb stairs. Increased rescue risk. Indoor chimney effect. You should escape from the fire as quickly as possible. The following solutions are proposed to address the above problems. Hope to solve human survival problems through technological innovation. Latest invention: Infinite High-Rise Building Rappelling Escape Device. Infinite Height Escape Equipment Installation Program. The lower base includes a cushion pad, screw splicing, and lateral elastic clips. Descending screw, lower base. Screw splicing. Elastic U-shaped clip, lower base cushion. Installed on the wall using infinitely high metal screw rods, front and rear balconies or side windows. Comes with lateral elastic U-shaped fixing clips. Connect the male and female screws and tighten. Utilize lateral double latches for complete tight sealing. Can temporarily bend away from the screw. Install a fixed base on the top floor. Use with step ladder. Reduce the time required for escape. With opening and closing nut tool. Can be descended directly from the escape hatch on each floor. Upper base. Descending screw. Foldable short ladder. Escape from the fire quickly. Comes with a dedicated escape box. The contents of the escape box include rappel jacket. Nose-com anti-smoke nose mask. Allows you to avoid inhaling large amounts of smoke. After the plug is pulled out, the nut can be opened. This is the first latch to pull out. Pull up. Then pull the second pin up and out. The third latch is on the load-bearing housing side. Just pull it up and you can pull it out. You can open the nut completely. When clamping, clamp the screw directly from the side. Then shake it slightly from side to side. Make sure the nut and screw are completely tight. In reverse order. Insert the 3 latches back to their original positions in order. Press the first latch down. Then align the second latch and press down. This allows the center rotor to be fully tightened. The last latch is on the load-bearing housing side. Insert it directly from top to bottom. The load-bearing shell can be fully tightened. Thread the rappel rope through the rappel jacket connection. Attach the O-rings at both ends of the rappel rope to the side holes next to the split nut. Just hook it up directly. The 2 hooking points are just opposite to form a balance. Opening and closing nut structure with 2 brake ropes. This is the brake rope. When I pull the brake cable down, it won't move. Then when I loosen the brake rope, the open-closing nut combination can start moving downwards. Now I take the steps to open the nut and give a demonstration. 2. Pull out the 3 quick latches in sequence. After pulling out the latch, open the split nut to disengage the screw. Open closing nut. Adults can rappel with children. Tighten the brake rope. Pull down on the brake. Rope retaining nut. The center rotor rotates and slides along the screw thread. The load-bearing shell, containing thrust rollers, engages with the short rappel rope and does not rotate the brake rope. Then get ready to start rappelling. Pull down on the brake rope retaining nut. Brake rope design allows independent speed control. After reaching the ground, open the open-closing nut. You can run away from the fire immediately. The rappelling suit and nut can be pulled through the pulley. Upward transmission and recycling. Fire escape equipment usage animation. Disaster relief mode. Firefighters combine the open-closing nut with a threaded rod. Combine the power motor unit with the split nut. The rescuer wears a rappel jacket and rappel rope, and combined with the load-bearing shell. Start the motor to lift firefighters and equipment to the rescue floor. Entering the fire scene to provide disaster relief. Reduce the risk of entering a fire scene. This can save rescuers physical strength and oxygen consumption. Avoid the harm caused by heavy indoor smoke. Life is priceless. Live and sleep peacefully. Give your family a safe and secure home. Infinite height high-rise building rappel escape device advantages. Simple, safe and convenient. Ready to rappel in 30 seconds. Infinite height, high stable load, high escape rate. Rappel along fixed guide rod. Low fear, many people can escape at the same time. You can rappel with elders, children, and pets. Included in the escape box is the NoseCalm anti-smoke mask. Allows you to avoid inhaling large amounts of smoke. Enhance the value of the building and establish an infinitely high residential safety corporate brand image. Advanced Disaster Relief App. Allows firefighters to quickly climb into the fire scene for disaster relief without any effort. Multinational patents. Ensure safety, reliability, and security. Partners. Builders can directly improve building safety, building value, and corporate image. The Management Committee strengthens the residential safety of existing buildings. Agents global layout working together to expand the market. Investors accelerate promotion efforts and quickly enter various international markets. Firefighting agencies jointly establish safety protection network for high-rise buildings. Win-win cooperation hotline.